Today on Stewart-Cox Family News. Thousands of Capital One Bank customers were suddenly locked out of their accounts. In this video, we dive into the latest banking crisis and explore what's behind the mysterious lockout. From technical glitches to potential security breaches, we'll uncover the truth behind this sudden and widespread issue. Stay tuned for the latest updates and find out what you can do to regain access to your account. Share your thoughts and leave your comments here below. Now let's see the clip.
To their money as an outage has impacted deposits. Right now, there is no timetable to fix it.
Yesterday, a bank sent out a statement saying that the issue is with a third-party vendor, and that vendor says a power outage affected their data center.
WDSU reporter Shay O'Connor live at the Capital One on St. Charles Avenue with reaction from local customers who were impacted.
Good evening to you, Travis and Gina. Yeah, all of this as we head into the weekend and a holiday, making it all the more stressful for many who just want to know when they'll have access to their deposits.
When I checked my bank account, I couldn't get through to no one. I was on hold this morning, 3 hours. Capital One customers expressing concern.
I came here yesterday. They said there's really nothing they can do. They can't give me any money if it's not in my account. I said, where is my money right now?
It's why many were seen going in and out of Capital One banks across the city Friday, looking for their money. That includes Ted Johnson, who says he's been at the bank more than twice in 2 days.
This is the second day, and they keep saying any minute now, but that's not true.
Capital One says the outage stems from a technical issue with a third-party vendor. Customers across the U.S. are now unable to access their deposits, payments, and transfers. Some entities like Ochsner Health, for instance, say their entire system did not receive payment. Officials there working with another bank in hopes of getting as many paid as possible. In St. Tammany Parish, officials say all governmental employees also did not receive pay. And most won't get their money until Tuesday. That's after the weekend and MLK Day holiday.
Roll me around. So you can't pay bills. You can't pay your employees.
You can add local mom and pop restaurants to that list. Jamaican Jerk House owners say they haven't been able to access their money, pay bills, or buy groceries since earlier this week, making it hard for business.
We are definitely running off of credit cards and cash flow. And that could be scary because you don't know how long you have to run off of that.
And circling back to Ochsner Health, officials there say that they have been working with another bank to process payroll. So some of their employees have been paid, some have not. Of course, we'll continue to keep you updated on this situation. Reporting live from Uptown, Shay O'Connor, WDSU News.